Welcome to all. This is part 5. See, last time we considered calculation of ultimate MR for WI intersection when mild steel was used. I will tell what happened. See, I will not explain all these things once again now regarding trial and error. Unless you go through part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and come to part 5, things will not be clear for you. That means if you directly come here and start, means not interested. For not interested, I am helpless. So what happened in trial and error was, we initially considered XU equal to XU max. Then afterwards, our XU came more than XU max. You know, if it comes more than XU max, you have to take equal to XU max. So initially assumed XU equal to XU max. Confirmation also XU equal to XU max. So trial and error stopped there. Now, second question. We will assume XU equal to XU max, but later it will become lesser. See, lesser means it will remain as it is. So, but what happens is, usually for mild steel, you get the answer in the first cycle or immediate second cycle. When you start second cycle, in the halfway through, it will stop. But not for torque steel. Anyway, mild reason is there, you can think later. Now, anyway, mild steel, not all that important. So therefore, I will take up second question for mild steel today, where after trial 1, you have to go to trial 2. That's all. Remember, later in torque steel, I will take a master question to give you complete understanding, where at least 3-4 trials are there. I will set the question so that, see, if you go for 3, 4 or 4 trials in the class, it is good for you. You learn more and more. Actually, when a question is given in examination or practically, second trial or third trial starting, it will stop. That is advantage for you. See, question I will dictate. You can see, last time what I wrote, I changed the numbers. So this is question 1, B. B is correct. I changed already. Question 1 I told for mild steel. So question, rectangular section of RC beam has width of 250 mm and overall depth of 400 millimeter. Bending is sagging, because if I give hogging, I will turn it now. Sagging, no problem. Tension steel consists of 3 bars of 25 mm diameter at effective cover of 55. See, last time clear cover given, this time at effective cover of 55. And compression steel consists of 3 bars of 12 mm diameter at effective cover of 50 millimeter. That is ASC. Okay. Then, taking M25 concrete and mild steel of grade Fe250, find ultimate MR of the cross section. Start. I don't have to explain all these things. Only change compared last time. Your D equal to 400 minus 55. D dash directly given 50. Okay. Other things are known for you. Required to find ultimate MR. See. Now, you go to last class, study and come back. Location of neutral axis. X you have to find. Equate CU to TU. I wrote the equation here. Now, problem. XU depends on FSC, but FSC in turn depends on XU. So, this statement is actually written for last question. I have not changed it. So, if you want further more information, go to last question. So, what you will do? See, actually, you have write the statement. You have write the statement here. First, you write equation, tell what is FSC, then write the FSC, you require epsilon SC, write equation for epsilon SC, where XU will come, then you write XU depends on FSC, FSC depends on XU. Now, we have to find XU by trial and error procedure. Trial 1, I told last time, to get XU by trial 1, for finding FSC, see, if you want XU, you require FSC. That FSC you find for XU equal to XU max. 0.53D, I got the answer. Reason I told last time, go through it. Substitute XU, epsilon SC, 0.0035 into XU minus D dash by XU, put XU 182.85, 0.00254. Now to find FSC for epsilon SC. For epsilon SC equal to 0.00254 for mild steel. This I should not explain. Why? Exclusively class taken earlier, procedure over, example over, still briefly. Refer IS code figure 23B, epsilon SC at proportional limit is 0.001087. This all I told you. Then again refer IS code. Our epsilon SC calculated is 0.00254. That is more than epsilon SC proportional limit. Since the value of strain is more than limit, directly FSC equal to Fy by 1.15. It will come 217.39 Newton per mm square. Okay, now continued. I will continue now only. I will make this short class. Okay, now where this I am rubbing because torque steel, I will write everything once again. For torque steel, all statement I will write once again. So little, okay, that is no problem. In the board you can see little stains are there, not a big issue. Learning is more important. Okay, now start. This all I can remove. Okay, I'll start from here now. Okay, now continued here. FSC got. Substituting FSC equal to how much? 217.39 Newton per mm square. Of course, it is corresponding to assumption. It is not guaranteed. See now, start. 0.36 into FCK 25 into B is 250 into your unknown XU. Don't substitute that XU. That XU is only for finding FSC plus FSC 217.39 into ASC 339.29 equal to 0.87 into 250 into 1472.62. Therefore, solving, you will get your XU equal to, I already solved there, 109.57 millimeter. 109.57 millimeter. Now I told you, limit state method. The moment you get XU, I will not tell now onwards. Make a note. Limit state method. Do the requirement. Compare XU with XU max. If it comes less means as it is. Equal means equal. But more means equal. This all you write there. Okay, now start. Now compare. Therefore, our XU, how much you got? 109.57 millimeter. XU max already calculated, 182. It is less than your XU max. XU max is 182.85 millimeter. Therefore, cross section is under reinforced. Therefore, write under reinforced. Make a note here. Under reinforced means XU will be as it is. So actually not required. You write OK. Therefore, for all further continuation, your XU equal to how much? Same, 109.57 millimeter. Or you can write in the examination if you want. Under reinforced section. Therefore, OK. Whatever XU calculated is valid for further calculation. Write that much. Okay. Now, yep, you got XU value. This also I can remove now. Not required. Start. Next. Now see. Once you get this XU, see, now make a note here. One important note. Note. XU you got 109.57. Initially assumed 182.85. So right here. Therefore, value of XU, we got by trial 1. That is how much answer? 109.57 millimeter. It differs from XU considered in beginning of trial 1. In beginning of trial 1. That is how much answer? 182.85 millimeter. Therefore, trial and error procedure to be continued. Right here, to be continued. Start. Now, trial 2. Trial 2. Now, trial 2. Consider XU equal to that value cancelled. Now, fresh value you got. 109. I am not using color now. 57 millimeter. Okay, now repeat the procedure. Now for this one continue. For which you can save time now. For which your epsilon SC is 0.0035 into XU 109.57 minus 50 divided by 109.57, it will come 0.00190. 0.00190. Okay. They only write mild steel, which is more than what? Epsilon SC at proportional limit. Which already you got it. How much? There only compare. Don't wait. Once again, write all the story. Now directly compare. 0.00190 is more than epsilon SC proportional limit of 0.01903. Okay, therefore, as per IS code, you write it. Figure number is not required. How many times you will write? Okay. Therefore, as per IS code, okay. Figure number 23B, FSC equal to, see, since the value, last time you got strain of 0.00254. That is more. More than what? 0.00254, more than 0.01087. Now you got 0.00190. This also is more. Any strain more than 0.00, how much? Oh, it's not 1903. 1903. This is how much? 0.00. Where is the value there? I think I made a mistake in calculation. One minute. I'll check once again the value. There seems to be a slight mistake. 1 minute. 0.0035 into bracket 109.57 minus 50 divided by 109.57 is calculator is not on. What is this one? 109.57 minus 50 divided by 109.57 into 0.0035. 0.001903. That is how much? That is 190. Okay. 1903. Earlier was no. It was 190. Okay, correct. Everything is correct. This is 1903. Okay, 03. But proportional limit was, it was 0.001087. See, 0.001087. See, I can make out. If something goes wrong, see, I am not re-recording for this purpose. These things happens. 250 by 1.15 divided by 2 10 to the power 5 is 0.001087. Correct. See, if anything is calculated wrong, I can make out immediately. Nothing will escape from me. So, actually, I wrote this number there. It came, I saw it 2 times there. Earlier value was there. Okay, do one thing. It came correct. 0.001903. It is more than 0.001087. See, last time you got 0.254. That is more. Now also you got more. If it is less only, you have to write FS equal to what? Strain into Young's modulus. The moment it goes beyond that one, any value of strain, FS equal to how much? Fy by 1.15. Right here. For which this one? For, okay, you can write 5. I figure 3. For epsilon SC calculated, that is how much answer? 0.001903 more than epsilon SC proportional limit of same value, right? FSC equal to directly Fy by 1.15 equal to 250 by 1.15 equal to 217.39. Newton per mm square. Now see correctly. Last time FSC came 217.39. But XU changed. Even after XU changed also, FSC came same. So make a note there. See, little fast I am taking the class because this is repetition. There is nothing here. Those people who are serious to learn everything, they will understand. So right here. Therefore, value of FSC we got during trial 2 is same as that we got in trial 1. You can make a note here. Trial 2 we got how much? 217.39. Trial 1 also same as trial 1. Trial 1 also you got 217.39. Therefore, value of FSC got repeated. Now I told one thing. See right here. In the class he told earlier, XU, you write here, XU depends on FSC depends back on XU. Therefore, if any one of them repeats, other has to repeat. Therefore, right what? Therefore, XU value will also repeat. Repeat. If at all, we continue. See here. If you substitute that XU value, see here, it will again repeat. Therefore, stop. Therefore, over. Trial and error over. Confirmation is, the confirmation value is your XU equal to, how much it is? Where is it? 10, somewhere I wrote here XU. 109.57 millimeter, and your FSC is 217.39 Newton per mm square over. Those who correctly go through all the parts, understand everything, they will enjoy this question. Only those who don't study properly, they will not understand. No problem. See, I always tell that way, no problem. I am not bothered or worried too much about people who are not serious and watch this video just to curiosity. Let me see what this person is telling or how much he knows, testing purpose or trying to find mistakes. They will have a chance of finding mistake, sometimes spelling mistake, sometimes grammar mistake I will not do, rare case calculation mistake. That anybody can do it. Okay, search for technical mistake. Okay, start. Now, over to find ultimate MR of the cross section. Right. If you want to use basic equation for WMU equal to, that is MU, 0.36 FCK into B into XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. Substitute equal to 0.36 into FCK 25, B is 250, XU confirmed. How much XU? 109.57 into D, 345 minus 0.42 into 109.57 plus FSC. FSC is 217.39 into ASC, 339.29 into D, 345 minus D dash 50. Calculate in 10 to the power 6 Newton millimeter. Okay, actually not required, you can calculate. Still I will give the answer. 0.36 allow into FCK into B into XU 109.57 into bracket D. See, when substituting also, I see terms. I don't see numericals there. In the mind, I am seeing how the MR will come. 345 minus 0.42 of XU, 109.57. This is MR for single interpose section, that is partial MU1 plus FSC Fs is 217.39 into 339.29 into liver arm of D 345 minus 50. I will calculate. If it is wrong, check it. 95.47. Okay. Suppose wrong, don't make an issue. 95 point. See, forgot. That's how much I can remember by heart. 95.47. 47. Or you can tell 95.47 kilonewton meter. Okay. Now, make a note. Or, right here. Those who want to use IS code version, their equation is, this will remain, see, their equation is what? 0.36 into XU by D into bracket 1 minus 0.42 XU by D into BD square into FCK plus second term is same plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. Those people, before substituting, find XU by D, which XU, actual XU, 109.57 divided by 345. Calculate. But to get the same answer, you have to go for little higher accuracy. How much accuracy? 109.57 divided by 345. 0.3176. 3176. Okay. Then if you substitute, see now, then if you substitute here, mu will come 0.36 into 0.3176 into 1 minus 0.42 into 0.3176 into 250 into D square 345 square into 25 plus FSC 217.39 into AC 339.29 into 345 minus 50. Calculate. I am not bothered to calculate. I forgot the answer. Where was the answer? Okay, right. Same answer. My guarantee. Same answer. How much? Now what I have to do? If I want to check the answer, I have to find once again. No. I rubbed it out. 100% same answer. Or if answer slight decimal change, okay. But if it differs too much, maybe some calculation mistake. Don't make calculation mistake an issue in my class. Okay, over. See, today, little fast I told because, first of all, little hot here. I am recording afternoon time. And second, it's a repetition question. And mild steel, not all that important. But at least concept purpose, it is important. Now, next is part, today is part 5, I think, most probably. I don't remember. I think part, anyway, next part, very, very important because you are going for tar steel, where I will do one thing, I will record night time and everything I will write once again there. There come 2-3 questions I will solve. One question, trial and error will stop in the first trial. Luck. Second question, it will stop after second cycle. One more question, it will take you through 4-5 cycles. Purpose of this extending the trial and error is to give you more and more grip, that's all. Some will tell, so lengthy, not so lengthy. I will set the question so that you require more trials. What happens? If you perform more trials, you get solid grip. That's the advantage for you. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next part. See, part number confusion for me. Okay, thank you.